Good morning. Today I am explaining the gyroscope working principle. A gyroscope is a rotating mechanical device that maintains orientation using angular momentum. Its main purpose to provide directional stability in systems where orientation or motion needs to be measured or controlled. What is gyroscope? A gyroscope is a device that measures or maintains orientation. It works based on the physics of rotation and angular momentum. When the rotor spins at high speed, it resists any change in its position. That resistance creates stability, allowing the gyroscope to hold direction even when external force act on it. Construction of gyroscope. A gyroscope has three main parts: rotor or spinning wheel, axle or spin axis, gimbal or support frame. This allows the rotor to freely rotate in one or more directions. The structure is designed so the rotor can spin freely without friction, and the frame lets the respond to motion from outside. Working principle. The working principle is based on angular momentum. When the rotor spins, it stores angular momentum. Angular momentum always tries to keep the rotation axis pointing in same direction. So when you try to tilt or rotate the gyroscope, it resists that change. There is resistance of orientation. Change in season gyroscope stays stable. Precision. When the external force or torque is applied to a spinning gyroscope, it does not move the direction of the force. Instead of moving at a 90-degree angle to the applied force, this reaction is called gyroscopic precision. Precision is the key reason gyroscopes maintain balance during continuous motion. Application. Gyroscopes are used wherever orientation and movement needs to be stable and measured. In aircraft, they keep the plane stable and maintain attitude during uh, maneuvers. In navigation system, they help track direction and improve positioning accuracy. In mobile phone, they detect rotation and movement to improve using interaction and sensor performance. Conclusion. In summary, a gyroscope works by using angular momentum of a spinning rotor. The spinning motion resists changes in orientation and provides stability. This is why gyroscope is widely used in control systems, navigation, and motion sensing technology. Thank you.